I'm asking you to stay. I don't want you to see that stars right now.
Everybody loves playing with bubbles. You know, even the crew here wanted to play with the bubbles when we got this stuff out.
My favorite investigation was in the chemical reactions episode.
Bubbleology. It's a great science.
I got to blow these huge bubbles all over the table.
Rebecca's got a beautiful one going here.
Thank you, players. One final time. The Quick 10 begins with question 1. What is the last letter of the Greek alphabet? Homeschoolers Marcus.
Omega.
Right. Question 2. Who painted the late 15th century mural known as The Last Supper? Homeschoolers Timothy.
Da Vinci.
Da Vinci is right. Question 3. Of the 48 contiguous states in the U.S., which one of those was the last to join? Homeschoolers Marcus.
Arizona.
Arizona is right, a month or so before or after New Mexico.
Documents, emails, and texting maybe.
Well, that's what the debate comes down to. Senate Majority Leader Mike Shirkey has supported FOIA reforms in the past when he was in the House.
Called himself a hawk on this issue.
Sure. However, he's already said sort of pump the brakes here. This issue is more complicated than it initially seems. And recall last session, it was the Majority Leader, Arlen Meekhoff, who was opposed to this. We don't know what his private caucus discussions were, but it seemed publicly there was probably at least the support voice to pass that, and he just didn't let it come up for a vote.
Jeff's distance is 23 feet. Oh no, that's just 2 feet shy of last year's 25-foot record. Let's check in with Michael.
So what's the plan then, huh? We run in there and I just start bashing them?
What the hell are you talking about?
You know, bashing them. Bash them! Bash them!
I'm not bashing anybody, Billy.
What do you mean I'm not bashing anybody? Why would you bring me along if I'm not bashing anybody? It's what I do. I'm Billy the Basher.
Listen, we're not bashing anybody. We're going to play this one cool, all right? We're going to go in at shift change, blend in, wait till the place closes down, sneak into that office, crack the safe, in and out, no alarms, no fuss, all right?
Blend in. What do you expect me to blend in? What do I look like? One of those zoo book fucking invisible
Hey,
lizards?
fucking
Oh, all
don't
right,
curse.
all right. It's a team, Henry. This whole thing here is a team, right? And it's like what they say, like a chain. It's like it's only as strong as its fucking metal and shit, you know?
You know what? I think today is your lucky day. You just bleed charm.
So remember, my friends, stay curious and keep experimenting.
And all I can say is I have enjoyed it. Thank you.